If you're wondering if the new Google Pixel 10a has got dual SIM card support, yep, I have some great news. As you see, I'm actually using dual SIM cards on this phone right now. If you go in the settings, network and internet, so you see you can manage them over here. So on this phone, actually this phone, in my opinion, when it comes to SIM cards, is actually better than the regular 10 and also 10 Pro. Because for example, in USA, we actually can't insert physical SIM cards basically in the regular 10 or 10 Pro. But on the 10a, we can actually still use SIM cards, like physical SIM cards. So at the same time, we can use one physical SIM card plus also one eSIM. So you see, I have both them here. If you want to add eSIM, so you see, you first have to connect to internet and then you will simply have to scan the QR code of the eSIM. So simply scan it and it can get added easily. And you can manage basically the default SIM card for calls, like data, mobile text here as well. Okay, good luck.